All right, hi everyone. Today we're gonna be looking at how I made some profits in the market while the market was down. If you can see, the last time I posted how much I had was 3 months ago, which was $22,300. Yeah, in my investments, and today I am at 30,646. So this is in Canadian, this amount plus the amount I have in my Quest trade plus my Pokemon cards. So they're worth 28,000. I priced them at 90% because if you sell full price, you have a hard time in this market. So everything at 90% gives us about 25,000. And yeah, so 30,646 now. So how did I do it? Well, you can clearly see if I pull up the S&P that the market peaked right around February 2. And yeah, it dipped a lot and now we're back up. But in that amount of time, my if I pull up how my stocks did, yeah, we peaked around a little before that, and then we went very down. We went down about $2,000, and now we're back up to about yeah, we're down $500 on our investments, which I will show you later. But yeah, so we were down $2,000 at one point, which was horrible, but it's fine. That's how markets work. Markets work, yeah. And here, well, didn't start investing too long ago, so we're up 6.25. We started investing right around when the market was down, so we're up $51 on 820, which is not bad. So where the real magic came in was the Pokemon cards. If you can see here, the so on February 2, which is when the market peaked, the stock market peaked, my Pokemon cards were here. All right, and mind you, I think I bought around um $300 Canadian of Pokemon cards during that time, and it went from $25,000 to $28,000. So up 3,000. But look at these dips. If you take a look at these two dips, they're not actual dips. They're just um, big sells I did. So from 28 to 20, yeah, 29 to 27. So that's $2,000 that I sold off. And then here I think it's like 500 or 800. Yeah. So the stock, well, not the stock market, but the Pokemon cards just went up, man, this month, and it's basically because this box, which is doing great for us, where's February 2? So on February 2, it was 840. Now it's 1,244. This box, let's see, February 2. Okay, anyways, you got my point, 540 to 850, and there's a bunch of boxes that did this. I have 10 of these. They went from, I think, 550, 520 to 720. So yeah, we got some big ups in the Pokemon card market. And right now I have a little too much Pokemon cards for my risk level. I would much rather sell a lot of this. Maybe I don't know. I would like to sell about maybe $10,000 worth of cards and just put them all in the market because I'm starting when I started investing in Pokemon cards, they were extremely cheap. And now I wouldn't say they're, well, maybe they're a little high, but I wouldn't say they're overvalued, but they could I can see Pokemon cards crashing way more than I did like a year ago. So like this box 2 years ago was 150. I bought them at 150 each, and now they're 1,244. So yeah, this is like to me these numbers are not scary, but I'd much rather have a little more in the stock market, which is way less speculative. It's not less risky, but it's less speculative than Pokemon cards. So now I just want to go over what I bought in the last 3 months, because I haven't made a video in a while. So I bought these amazing rares, the Rayquaza, Celebi, but I know most of y'all don't really look at the Pokemon card market. But yeah, about $300 worth of slab, which appreciated for me, and that's about it for Pokemon cards. We sold a lot. We sold about, I'm not sure, but around $3,000 to $4,000 worth of cards, which is great for me. I have less to sell now. I want to keep a position, but not too big. And I think where it gets interesting is what I bought in the stock market while it was dipping. So yeah, it's all here. I always do. I buy. Well, it used to be 20. Now it's $40 that I buy of ETFs every day, just because they're they're I don't have to worry about those as much because they're just the market. So yeah, I have about, what is that, like 2,300, 2,400 worth of ETFs, which is good. The position is building. I don't really see, it's just $40 a day, so I don't really see them building up, but they do. So it's really nice to get like that passive. It's not really passive, but it just keeps building, and I don't have to do much. Okay, here is where it gets interesting. All right, here I'll just show you all my positions. I don't think I ever showed them on here. Let's put by return. So we have Google. Yeah, I'm not gonna go over all of them, but I think the ones I'm gonna be selling, if I do, in the next, I don't know, I wouldn't sell probably this month, but if Google goes up way up, since it's already climbed a lot since I bought it, and I bought more while it was growing, so yeah, I would probably sell Google if it goes to. Wait, let me just pull up Google. Just a second. Yeah. So Google is 334 right now, and I think a fair price for Google is about 360 to 370. So if it gets close to that, I'm probably gonna take off a lot of my position. Maybe I'll keep like 300. I don't want to sell everything either, but yeah. And apart from that, everything is pretty good for me. I like everything that I'm holding, and the amount I'm holding is good. Maybe I don't really like Microsoft that much, but it's very up. It's very down, I mean, so there should be a lot of upside potential there. It's oversold, I think. But here's what I'm buying. So, yeah, in the last days I bought some American Express. American Express is good for me because I'm trying to build my, long-term positions. I'm probably gonna hold American Express for a while, and because it's such like a, it's I can sleep well at night with some American Express. I know it's not gonna crash tomorrow, and right now it's at a discount, so I like it a lot. Then I have some software stocks, Adobe CRM. Yeah, I think those are extremely undervalued. I don't know why they're so cheap. AI disruption could, they could be, they could make me absolutely zero returns for all of eternity, but I honestly don't see that happening. And even if it does, I mean, I already think that's priced in the stock price. So I think worst case scenario is I lose like 5 or 10% over the next 3 years in those, and the upside potential is huge. So that's why I keep them. Meta, this was the last time I'm buying Meta because it's starting to climb, and I'm really happy with my position. I think I have about 1,400 in Meta. Um, so yeah, I'm happy. Canadian, of course. So maybe $1,000. I'm very happy. S&P Global, same thing than American Express. It's a great company. It's at a discount, so I'm taking advantage. I'm kind of happy that the stock market went down in the recent months because I just started investing and now I'm getting like all of these companies at like a very attractive price. So I like it a lot. Nike, same thing that then S&P Global and American Express. A little more risky because yeah, Nike. I see a lot of fear with Nike, but I think it's a great buy right now. Then again, software stocks, Adobe. I This was the first time I'm buying um yeah, ServiceNow, and I'm really happy. It's up like 9%. I bought it 4 days ago, I think, so I'm really happy with that. I'm not gonna buy more, but I'm happy with a little position in it. American Express, Nike. Oh, that's a dividend. CRM, yeah, Intuit. This is dividend. What did I buy else? Again, Nike. Yeah, I'm always buying Nike. Nike. Yeah, every day I'm buying Nike. I bought some Meta. Is there any new stocks? They're all the same. These are the best. All right, they're the best stocks in my opinion. Oh yeah, I bought some Amazon here. Same thing as American Express. Everything. I like these stocks for the long term. I'm not a trader. I'm a long term hold person. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna hold these for at least like 5 or 10 years. And I'm very happy with the price points I got them at. And I think that's pretty much it. I sold PayPal. Yeah, I made a huge mistake on PayPal, but that's fine. We all make mistakes. And it was my first mistake in the stock market. So, yeah, that's pretty much my buys. So, what am I looking to buy looking forward? So, right now, my position in Bitcoin is really not that much, and I would really love to own some more. I think I sold. Don't sell your stocks, guys. If you're just like, if you have no intention of using that money for anything else, it's not worth. I think I pulled out. Where can I see? Yeah, I sold $100 worth of Bitcoin for no reason at all, and yeah, I made a huge loss on it, and now it's worth more, and now I want to buy more, because my position in Bitcoin is not as much as I would like, and now I gotta buy it for more, so it was a stupid decision. So that's why I'm gonna take more time to think about what I'm selling now, not buying. Buying, I'm already very comfortable, but I don't want to just um trade stocks for like a small profit or a small loss. It's not worth it. So yeah, I'm definitely might be buying Bitcoin in the next few months, few weeks, but not yet, because I think there could be still a lot of downside for Bitcoin. And yeah, I'm very happy with my portfolio now. I'm probably gonna add equally I'm gonna add my new money equally across stocks, because there's no, like, all of these are great buys. And here, I don't know if you know the channel Finance Education by Jeremy Lefebvre, but yeah, I'm holding, when I see a stock that he's really confident in, and I kind of get why he's confident in them, I don't mind putting a little like $100 in them. And so far it's worth great. It's worked great for me, but I wouldn't just invest money anywhere if I were you. And again, I didn't say it, but this is absolutely not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing in the market, and you can take away what you want from it. But I'm not telling you invest in those stocks. Like, please do your own research before investing in them. And the same thing for Pokemon cards. Please don't invest money in Pokemon cards without knowing what you're doing, because it could cost you a lot, and you have to understand that before you do. That's pretty much it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I'm looking forward to making more videos. I know I haven't been posting a lot, It's mostly motivation, but I'm gonna try to push out more videos from now on, because I think it's fun talking about stocks, and I hope you appreciate it too. If you have any suggestions for me, either for how I'm presenting my things, or video ideas or anything, please do leave a comment, like the video, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.